Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to grab all the text from the PDF file in Python. We are going to use PyPDF2 library. So first we need to install it. On terminal, we can type bit3 install PyPDF2 and hit enter. It is successfully installed on our system. So we'll just clear the terminal. And now first we are going to import PyPDF2. And we are going to open this PDF file in a binary mode. PDF file open in the name of PDF file sample.pdf in read binary mode RB. And now I will have a list of every page text. There will be a list of text. And now I'm going to get a PDF reader. PyPDF2 dot PDF file reader. And here I'm going to pass in PDF file. And now we are going to grab each page and get the text. So we are going to loop through our PDF file for I in range. I will name it num page number or page number. No, this will be our PDF reader dot num pages. And then get a single page by calling our PDF reader that page and passing the page number. This will be page num. And now we are going to extract the text from this page. So this would be, and we are going to append to our list. What's the text? Dot append. And this will be page dot extract text. And now we can just print the whole list, which will have the text from our PDF file. And after we run our program, we get the text from our PDF file. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.